my glam babes, welcome back to another video. So today I am doing a colorful look today. I hope you guys stay with me throughout this makeup tutorial. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this look. Okay, so for today I am using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and it's in the shade Espresso. So I'm just gonna use this. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna put this on my brows. I want to take a tea from the top. If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every sense of what's glass and try to write. Bring you a song, do you wanna hear it now? Then bring your friends along to phone the cloud. Cause I need to breathe, I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them? It could be just. So that's what they're looking like. I'm just going to conceal them and then I'll come back. What you taste, do you like them just for me? Do you like them just for me? I'm painted on my knees. It's your touch that I need. Okay, so I already primed my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And so today I'm just going to go in with my foundation, and it is the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in Golden Tan. And I'm just going to do my normal face routine so you guys can go ahead and enjoy the music while I beat my face, and then I'll come back for the lip.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I'm going to line my lips with the NYX brown lip pencil. First, you want to wipe all that makeup off your lips. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Vanilla Cream Pie. So now I'm going to go in with the NYX Lip Cheekies. Okay, you guys, so I am done with my face. It looks so cute. I was going to put a little shimmer like in the inner corner, but I feel like it doesn't need it. I don't know if I've done a look like this before. I'm not sure if I have. If I have, then oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial, and make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I did. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because you know we get beat over here. Okay, so yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.